It's year end and it's time to prepare 1099s. In Ramp, you can automate the entire 1099 process, including W-9 collection, TIN verification, 1099 non-employee compensation, and miscellaneous form creation, and direct filing with the IRS and select states. In the Vendors tab, click Review 1099 Vendors. As your vendors become 1099 eligible throughout the year, they populate in your 1099 dashboard. Here, you can see a complete view of vendors that need review, those that are ready to file, completed, as well as any excluded vendors. Moving to the Needs Review tab, here we can take bulk action and request W-9s and e-consent from necessary vendors. Once this is complete, I can start my box mappings to generate all 1099 forms in just a few clicks. Ramp AI will recommend mapping spend attributed to your accounting categories to specific boxes. You also have full power to customize and edit the vendor mappings however you would like. From bill level line items all the way down through additional spend. Just hit save and Ramp will complete all the box calculations for you across every vendor. Once your forms are ready, you can go through the filing process. Review your business information, confirm the vendors that you're filing for, select whether or not you want to include state filing with your IRS filing, confirm how you want your vendors to receive a copy of their 1099, and then purchase and file. Ramp takes care of the entire 1099 process for you.